Nice and still cold.
Got a bloke behind pinching.
Never off to the pub.
Welcome to the pool!
Oh, you want a hand there because that might go out.
Can we help you?
The problem is that these sides go down.
Okay, it's true.
We can lift.
We can help you lift you over.
Hold that bit before we break it.
What's that? Yeah.
Yeah.
Get on my shoulders.
If we had a harness, we could just chuck them.
Are you ready? Yeah.
Princess style.
All right! Batter up.
We're going to die.
Ted, you dropped it right.
Come on, I'll get
Get the duckies out. Yeah. Nice.
Oh,
perfect.
That's amazing. That is amazing.
We need one of these in the back of the RV.
Yeah.
That was our goal.
You guys on hand cranks?
Bob, nice to meet you, Bob.
That's what you need.
I'm just.
That's hot.
Side was last.
He was
Is it
actually
touching
hanging.
across, yeah.
Literally.
Get your head on the Stay your head on over it.
Oh, the head under one is the best. Pulls you right off.
Throw them! Throw the driver.
Lovely.
Welcome to the lake, my child.
You don't the riders are
Thanks, Colin. Never been
that.
that.
go up.
And we also
How's
have
Dave?
our
Good, how are you?
Much better now.
which is the
Okay.
wow.
Stevie's with you, Jen.
Cheers with it.
It's right. Leave it in the sun, it'll dry.